Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. And today I want to talk about Better Program and the role of PMM in it. Because as a PMM, Better Program is actually quite important part of the job. So what exactly is a better program? A better program, it is a structured process where the company release the pre-release versions or the beta of the product or the feature to the selected group of users. And the goal here, it is to discover if there are bugs, the usability issues, and validate assumptions and get the feedback before the general launch. And it is really to test out if your product or the feature actually solve the problem for your clients or customers. And as a PMM, normally you will work with product managers and account managers. And here I listed 5 key responsibilities of a PMM in this whole process. And before everything starts as a PMM, you really have to understand the value of the product or the feature. And you probably will also help your PMs to define who will be the beta testers and define the success metrics. But sometimes your PM have already decided, but sometimes you probably need to help them figure it out. And then you will go to the user recruitment process. This is the process where you will work most likely with your account managers. They are the ones that are gonna invite the client. But PMM here owns the messaging. For example, you need to draft the invitation email or the setup guidelines, these type of things. So once this is done, the beta starts. And in this process, the PM will work more like a project manager because you need to follow up with the AMs and you need to track and update the Google Sheet. And another very important thing here that you need to enable your account managers to understand the value of the product because they are really busy, so they won't have like one day to just only look at your product. So you really need to help them understand and help them prepare the answers the client might have. And during this process, it is also a good time to refine your messagings. You need to see if your value proposition really land with the customers. Do they really see how you see it? And if not, you have to refine the messaging. And after the whole process, you also need to collect the feedback from the clients, either for the general release or for the bug fix. Sometimes you also need to help the product managers to prioritize which bugs to fix. But if everything goes pretty well, then you can prepare for the general release. And of course, each beta in each company is quite different, but I hope I have given you an idea, like a rough idea, how the beta process works. And this is for today, and thanks for listening. I will see you next time. Bye.